Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Deepa Vishwas, Faculty of Pharmacy from Sri Rawatpura Sarkar University, Raipur. In this video, I am going to discuss about herbal cosmetic. This is the second part of the video in which I am going to discuss about some interesting herbs and organic product which is beneficial for skin and hair. To know the more about this topic, please watch the previous video.
The concept of beauty and cosmetic is as ancient as mankind and civilizations. Women are obsessed with looking beautiful, so they use various beauty products that have herbs to look charming and young. Indian herbs and its significance are popular worldwide. Herbal cosmetics having growing demand in the world market and is an individual gift or nature. Herbal formulation always have attracted considerable attentions because of their good activity and compatibility laser or niche side effects with synthetic drugs.
The first known people who used cosmetic to enhance their beauty were the Egyptians. Makeup those days was just simple eye coloring or some material for body. Nowadays, makeup and skincare routine plays an important role for both men and women. Cosmetic comprises a range of products that are used to care for the face and body. The cosmetic include skin care, personal care and fragrances. Cosmetic are used to enhance your appearances. Cosmetic can be produced in the organic and hypoallergenic form to meet the demand of users. Cosmetic include makeup and also derma care. The main purposes for cosmetics are the first one is they can be used to cleanse for cleaning of skin and make the skin more healthy and glowing. The cosmetic play major role. Second one is they can be used to replenish and protect the skin for the protection of skin from the dust and harmful ray of sun. The cosmetic have many options like sunscreen lotions, sunscreen and lactocalamine lotions. They can enhance appearances. The skincare product make more attractive to our appearances and make more confident to person. The cosmetic may be classified into the following. The first one is cosmetic for skin, in which powder, cream, lotion and perfumes are come. Cosmetic for hairs involve shampoo and oil. The cosmetic or for nail involve nail polish and nail paint remover. In the cosmetic for hygienic, soaps, dentifrices, face washes are comes under that. There are thousand herbs are used in the herbal medicines and cosmetic, and definitely they have great effect in their own places. I am going to discuss about some of them. The first one is aloe vera, which is also known as aloe barbadensis. The aloe vera offers many benefits and is suited for all skin types, especially dry, damaged, sensitive, and irritated skin. It offers anti inflammatory, antimicrobial, antioxidant, humectant, and soothing anti aging quality for skin. The aloe vera contains polysaccharide, which gives aloe its hydrating emollient and anti inflammatory benefits. The anthraquinones aloe contains large number of anthraquinone which offers antimicrobial and antioxidant characteristic. It also involves flavonoids which offer further protection from free radical damages. The phytosterol is also containing by aloe vera which are anti-inflammatory, which calm and soothing the itchy skin, also moisturizing and protecting the skin from the transepidermal water losses. It also contain glycosides, promote healthy cell regenerations and offer antihistamine properties, while vitamin, mineral and essential amino acids nourish the skin. More than 400 aloe species have been described, mainly occurring in Africa. The best known representative are aloe vera and aloe ferox, which are of great cosmetic and medicinal value. Next one is roses. The Greeks and Romans are known to have cultivated enormous public roses gardens as far back as 5,000 years ago to support their extensive rose beauty traditions. Rose water helps maintain the skin's pH balance and also control excess oil. Rose water has anti-inflammatory property that can help reduce the redness of irritated skin. Rose water helps hydrate, revitalize and moisturize the skin, giving it with that fresh look. Due to its antibacterial property, rose water also aids in healing scars, cuts and wounds. The antioxidant property of rose water helps to strengthen skin cells and regenerate skin tissue. Roses are popular flower not only for their pretty petaled appearances, delighted the eyes, their aroma scent is also known to be therapeutic since the rose is scientifically proven to calm the nerve and ease mental and physical fatigue. It works superbly as an antidepressant. Next one is turmeric. It is an organic cosmetic for the treatment of dandruff and as hair colorant and dyes. Plant extracts are used as hair growth stimulators. The mechanism of action appeared to be an acceleration of blood circulation or increased nutrition to the hair follicle. Natural dye derived from plant extracts are being used in hair colorants. A fresh juice from rhizomes or a paste prepared from turmeric or decoction is often used as a local application as well as internally in the treatment of leprosy skin diseases. In case of smallpox and chickenpox, turmeric is applied as a powder or a paste to facilitate the processes of scabbing. In organic cosmetic, turmeric improve skin complexation and also reduce hair growth on body. Turmeric is also effective tonic and blood purifier. Turmeric is a special gift from nature in organic herbs. The sandalwood have great significance on its fragrant and medicinal quality. Indian sandalwood still commands high prices for its essential oil and powder. The sandalwood is used as perfume and antiseptic, as an anti-inflammatory. It also shows great effect as astringent and it is also used for tan removal. The next one is Amla Ritha and Shikakai. Amla Ritha and Shikakai are the well-known and time-tested ingredient that promote hair growth by straightening and nourishing hair follicles. They have natural ingredients which don't have any side effects, unlike the chemically prepared shampoo and other hair cosmetics. The combination of trios lower the pH value and retain the natural oil of hair and keep them healthy. The next one is henna, which is also known as mehendi. Henna can also refer to the temporary body art resulting from the staining of the skin from the dyes. Henna has been used to dry skin, hair and fingernails. Fresh leaves may be used as topical antiseptic for fungal or bacterial skin infections, including ringworm. Henna helps to improve hair cuticle and appearances. It is also beneficial for treatment of dandruff. There are some Indian brands of herbal cosmetic which promote the organic cosmetic: Himalaya, Fab India, Organic Harvested. Patanjali also prepare herbal cosmetics, and the Biotic and Lotus. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel to the Black Thumb into Blue. Thank you.